Hey, Manny here from Reno. Hey. Hey, Manny here from Hardcore Rentals. Reno Run's contest, Rough Up the Cup contest, is still going on. You could win Mechanics Workwear. You could win a subscription to Renovation Contractor magazine. You could win Snickers Workwear. You could win passes to the Renovation Contractor Roundtable. You could win Grisport boots. You could win cash from Home Depot, and you can win some tools from a brand I'm not going to mention. Put an order in. I do it all the time. Put an order in. Put the order in, man. Put the order in and use Reno Run. What's wrong with you, Beep? I use it all the time. Why haven't I won? I haven't won anything at all. I haven't won yet. Why haven't I won? What's going on here?